I'm tempted to say what I hear other people say. It's so rich idiomatically. It's so expressive. I'm not sure that's really truer than other languages, although you hear it all the time. For me, it's simply familiarity. It's like if you immigrate from someplace and then you go back to that country and things are familiar, you feel at ease. It's Hamish. I see some of the older ladies here, the woman that lectured today and Fiona, and boy, I think, and they're not as old, but I think of them as my Baba. It just reminds me, it's my tie to the past. Yiddish is my tie to the past.